Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today, a vendor sent me a product. This is a free product, and this is a paid shoppable video. It's headlights. It's low beams, it's high beams. I've had a set of these before, and they were awesome. I'm going to replace them. I'll show you how we replace them. Super easy to replace your own headlights for the brighter LED lights. If you've never had LED lights, they're probably the ones that make you mad sometimes at night because they're so darn bright and they're coming at you. But I'm telling you, as I've aged, it's harder and harder to drive at night. But these made all the difference. They really did. I mean, they're just multiple times brighter than standard halogen headlights. Just, they're awesome. So I'm going to show you. These are Termitors. I'm going to show you how to replace them. You don't have to have somebody do it. You can do it yourself. Super easy. Let's open the box first. First thing you'll find in the box is white gloves. These are to touch your new bulbs before you put them in, because any kind of oil from your skin getting on the bulbs, because they get pretty hot, will actually shorten the length of time your bulbs will last. So always wear your gloves when you're dealing with the new headlights. There is instructions. The instructions are good. I've used the instructions several times. I have put in many sets of LED headlights in my cars. I wouldn't do without them anymore. I'm just saying. So I'm going to put my gloves in this side, keeping them clean. I'll give you a quick little look at the bulbs themselves. Right here is a cooling fan that actually cools the bulbs off, keeps them from overheating, which is a real not all LED headlights have those. So right in here, right over here, you're going to have your headlights. Headlights and your bright headlights. You'll see them plugged in right here and here in front in your car, right here in front of the lights. All you have to do is turn it, usually it is clockwise, and pull them out. And you can see that I actually have Termitors in there right now, but I'm going to replace them because I love them. So easy to take out. There's a tab on the back here. You push it. In fact, I'm going to try to, I'll show you with the other one. You just push the tab and pull out the light. And there is the light up close. What you'll see, the how you can tell the difference between the high beam and the low beam is the separation of these little plug-ins. That's how you know which one to plug in where, okay? So, and it looks to me, just looking at the box, that the wider band one is going to plug in here. Hopefully I'm not steering you wrong, but you can see that it matches the wider band, and then there's a narrower band. Let's try that to begin with anyway. So we look at the old one, and we look at the new one. See the distance between the plugs? So I do have it right. This one is the replacement for this one. To plug them in, you simply find the little notch right there, and that plugs into the back side. And you hear it snap. Try to get them in the hole as soon as possible so you don't get them dirty. And then just turn it counterclockwise. That's how easy that was. So I'm going to take my ungloved hand and pull the other one out. You can see you can see the little band on that is narrower. And you can push this right here and pull that out. It's that simple. So then I will show you the difference between the spreads. So this is the other light set, and this is this new light set. See, you can definitely tell the difference on which one to plug into which just by the spread of the plug-ins. So it's just that easy. Just make sure you match. Again, put it in here. Little notch right there towards the clip. Listen for it. Snapped in. So you can see the hole there. There's the light. So we're going to just put it in the hole until it fits all the way in, and then just turn it. And you'll feel it secure itself. And there it is. There is. And you simply just replace them. And on the other side, it's the exact same. I would show the other side, but it's exactly the same. So that's all there is to replacing Termitor lights, and they are awesome lights to have. So as you can see, very bright even in the daytime. Go get your Termitor lights today.